Mr. Praful, please read from 241 to 260. Continue quickly. Fadafat, fadafat.
Okay, sir. What is niche bank? Niche
No, no,
banks
but
are
no.
smaller.
You must read the question number.
Yes, yes. 241. What are niche banks? Niche banks are smaller specialized banking institutions that focus on specific area or market. For example, small finance bank. 242. What is known as exchange rate? An exchange rate is basically a rate with the help of which one country's currency can be exchanged with the currency of another country. 243. What is known as forward rate agreement? A forward rate agreement is a financial contract between two parties to exchange interest payments for a notional principal amount on settlement date for specified period from start date to maturity date. 244. What are cash management bills? Cash management bills means short-term bills issued by the central bank of country in consultation with government of country in order to match temporary cash balance mismatch and provide emergency funding. 245. What is purpose of the bill of exchange? A written order that obligates one party to pay another party a specific amount of money on demand or at a specific time is known as bill of exchange. 250. What is multilateral check?
No,
A
no. What
check
is
is
a mutilated check?
mutilated. 250. What is mutilated check? If a check is torn into two or more pieces, it is called as mutilated check. 251. What is difference between soiled notes and mutilated notes? A note which gets dirty over time and is torn is called as soiled notes. And when the note is split into more than two pieces, it's a or is a torn, sorry, or is torn is called as multilated note.
Torn, eh?
252.
Torn. Torn.
Torn.
Yeah. What is?
252. What is special crossing in check? If two parallel lines are drawn across a check with the name of the bank, the line are called special oblique restrictive crossing. 253. What is known to be general crossing of check? General crossing of check bears across its face an addition of two parallel crosswise lines. 254. What is demand draft? Demand draft is a bill of exchange drawn by a bank on another bank or by itself to its other branch to pay to the third party. 255. Give some of the features of demand draft. Number one, it is used by the one bank to another bank. Number two, it is only payable to the payee written on the demand draft and it is payable on demand. Number three, the purchaser of the DD need not be a customer of the bank. 4. DD cannot be stopped except by the court order. Amount is refunded if DD is not delivered. Number 5. It is an unconditional order of payment. 256. What do you mean by speed clearing in check? Speed, speed clearing refers to the collection of outstation checks through the local clearing. 257. Why some banks are said to systematically important banks and give some examples. A systematically important financial institutions is a bank, public insurance company, or other financial institutions whose failure might trigger a financial crisis. For example, State Bank of India, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank.
Systematically
250.
नहीं है. Systemically.
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 Good.
Yes.
Continue.
258. What do you mean by endorse? Endorse is a described as giving someone or something your approval or authorizing the payment of a paper with one signature.
Actually, ये तो this is a very remote answer. Normally हम लोग का endorse बोलने से signing on the reverse of a check
Yes,
and
endorsement.
giving it to another person. ये तो थोड़ा
Yes, one party
complicate.
is signing.
या थोड़ा
Yes.
complicate कर दिया. 259 बोलिए.
259. What is known as electronic benefit transfer (EBT)? Electronic benefit transfer is a product offer under financial inclusion, which facilitates payment to reach the intended beneficiaries of the government-sponsored schemes through bank account.
I think even here the EBT is wrong. It should be DBT, direct benefit transfer.
DBT.
Yeah,
DBT.
doesn't matter. 260.
260. What is known as participatory notes, P notes. Participatory notes are financial instruments required by investors or hedge funds to invest in Indian securities without having to register with the Security and Exchange Board of India, SEBI.
Okay, thank you. Now we will go to Mr. Aneja.